The story of Bhakt Prahlad is a timeless tale of devotion, faith, and the triumph of good over evil. Prahlad, the son of the demon king Hiranyakashipu, was a devout follower of Lord Vishnu, despite his father's intense hatred for the deity. This story illustrates the power of unwavering faith and the protection that divine grace offers to true devotees. Hiranyakashipu, the father of Prahlad, was a powerful demon king who sought immortality and supreme power. After performing severe penance, he was granted a boon by Lord Brahma that made him invincible. With this power, he declared himself the supreme god and demanded that everyone worship him, forbidding the worship of any other deity, especially Lord Vishnu. Despite his father's orders, young Prahlad continued to worship Lord Vishnu with complete devotion. He would constantly chant Vishnu's name and refuse to acknowledge his father's claim of being the supreme deity. His unwavering faith infuriated Hiranyakashipu, who saw his son's devotion as a direct challenge to his authority. Determined to break Prahlada's faith, Hiranyakashipu subjected him to numerous cruel punishments. He tried to have Prahlad trampled by elephants, bitten by venomous snakes, and thrown from a cliff, but each time, Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad, unharmed. These trials only strengthened Prahlada's devotion, proving that divine protection is always with the true devotee. In a final attempt to kill Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu enlisted the help of his sister, Holika, who had a boon that made her immune to fire. She sat in a blazing fire with Prahlad on her lap, expecting him to be burned. However, due to Prahlada's unwavering devotion, Holika was burned to ashes, while Prahlad emerged unscathed. This event is celebrated as Holi, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. In his final confrontation with Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu demanded that Prahlad show him where Vishnu is, mocking his son's belief. Prahlad calmly replied that Vishnu is omnipresent, even in the pillars of the palace. In a fit of rage, Hiranyakashipu struck a pillar, and to his shock, Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Narsimha, a half-man, half-lion avatar, to protect Prahlad and destroy the demon king. Narsimha, the fearsome avatar of Vishnu, swiftly overpowered Hiranyakashipu and laid him across his lap. In a display of divine justice, Narsimha killed Hiranyakashipu at twilight, on the threshold of the palace, using his claws. This fulfilled the conditions of the boon that had made Hiranyakashipu nearly invincible. He was not killed by man or beast, inside or outside, day or night, or by any weapon. The death of Hiranyakashipu marked the end of his tyranny and the triumph of divine justice. After the defeat of Hiranyakashipu, Lord Narsimha's anger subsided when he saw Prahlad bowing before him with utmost devotion. Pleased with Prahlada's unwavering faith and devotion, Lord Vishnu blessed him with protection and prosperity. Prahlad was crowned as the king, and he ruled with righteousness and devotion, ensuring the welfare of all his subjects. His story became an eternal example of the power of faith and the protection that comes from true devotion. The story of Bhakt Prahlad is celebrated every year during the festival of Holi, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. His unwavering faith in Lord Vishnu, despite all the trials he faced, continues to inspire millions of devotees. Prahlada's legacy is a reminder that no matter how powerful evil may seem, it is always defeated by the power of devotion and righteousness.